Hey guys, I figured what the heck, let me go ahead and do a video trying to kill this grass busting through my mulch. Used something before on this, and you can see these are brown because I sprayed these a while ago. It didn't do that good of a job, but we'll try this tough stuff and see how it works out. So I got the stairs done. Show you that again. So those stairs were completed just recently. So I went and picked up some stuff from Home Depot. You know, your favorite place to shop. Those ground clear. They said super toughest weed and grass killer. Kills even the toughest weeds and grasses. Kills to the root. The root. So that's what I'm about to work on. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this thing down and see if it does what it says it does. Well, it's a beautiful day out here. It's about 76. Pure sunny. You can smell October in the air.